Hi everyone, I hope you're well today. It is Wednesday, April 22nd, and you finished Du Bois, hopefully posted, and then the next 2 weeks of posts are up, and then that's all we're going to do besides the final. And so everything is available to you that you need in order to finish the class. So in light of the way the world is working right now, I wanted to just give it all to you so you have it. And throughout the process, I'm happy to talk to you about any of it, what it looks like. But what you'll see is you have this post, which is due on the 28th. You have this one on May 6th. And then the last thing you have is your final. And oh, I'll get rid of the potluck because we're not having a potluck. Darn it. But the final questions pretty much mirror the posts that you've already done. So if there are posts that you've completed, I would just ask you to use those in response. If you still need more work, more to do on them, then you can do a little bit of extra work. Actually, I think I might edit one question out because we didn't go over this article. So I think we'll end up with 3 questions for the final. All right? If you have questions, email me. I'm going to edit it. By the time you see this, it'll be done. All right. Be well. Reach out if you need me.